Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're tired of the hassle that comes with traditional water flossers, or looking for a more efficient way to keep your teeth and gums clean, the Oral Breeze Showerbreeze Water Jet Dental Irrigator might be the game changer you need. This product promises powerful performance without the mess and clutter of a traditional water tank, and it's designed to make your daily oral care routine easier and more effective. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more honest reviews like this one. The Oral Breeze Showerbreeze Water Jet Dental Irrigator is a unique dental tool that hooks directly to your shower, offering a mess-free, convenient alternative to standard countertop water flossers. Its standout feature is the 6-foot hose, which provides easy access to all areas of your mouth and even those hard-to-reach spots on your body, like between toes or behind ears. The irrigator uses dentist-recommended fan spray tips, ensuring a thorough clean while being gentle on your gums. And with its no-tool installation, setting up this device is a breeze. As for my experience, I found this water jet to be incredibly easy to integrate into my routine. The hose length is perfect. It allows me to comfortably clean my teeth without feeling restricted. Plus, no need for constant refills like with other traditional water flossers. I love that I can just hop in the shower and have a quick, effective cleanup without the mess of filling a water tank or worrying about spilling. The spray is gentle yet powerful enough to dislodge debris, and I could feel the difference in how clean my teeth and gums felt after using it, even after just a few days. There are some definite pros to this product. First off, the ease of use is unmatched. No more juggling water tanks or dealing with bulky devices. The fan spray tips are very effective, and the water pressure is customizable, so you can adjust it based on your preference. It's also super convenient that it connects directly to your shower, freeing up counter space and eliminating the need for an extra appliance. The no-tool installation is a huge bonus, especially for anyone who doesn't want to spend time setting up a complicated system. On the flip side, there are a few downsides to keep in mind. While the 6-foot hose offers flexibility, some may find it a little too long for smaller bathrooms or showers. Also, while the water pressure is adjustable, it may not reach the same high-pressure intensity as some countertop models, which may be important for those who like a more powerful clean. But for the price, it's a solid option that provides excellent functionality for most people. Now, let's talk about value for money. The Oral Breeze Showerbreeze is reasonably priced compared to traditional countertop water flossers, especially considering the convenience and ease it offers. The fact that it doesn't require a separate water tank or complex setup makes it a great value, particularly for those who want to streamline their oral hygiene routine. In comparison to similar products on the market, the Showerbreeze Water Jet Dental Irrigator stands out for its shower integration and simple installation. Other water flossers tend to require countertop space and more involved setups, which can be a turnoff for some users. While some alternatives may have higher pressure or additional features, this one provides a solid, no-fuss solution for everyday use. When it comes to build quality, the materials feel durable and the hose seems sturdy enough to withstand regular use. Since it's designed for shower use, I didn't encounter any issues with it getting wet or exposed to moisture. Over time, I can see this being a product that continues to perform well as long as it's maintained correctly. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this one. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. While I haven't had any direct experience with customer support for this product, Oral Breeze has a strong reputation for being responsive and helpful should you need assistance. As for updates, the Oral Breeze Showerbreeze doesn't seem to have received major revisions since its release, and in this case, no updates are particularly necessary. It works as advertised. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, you can find other water flossers that provide similar results at a lower price point. However, if you want something that's truly convenient and reduces bathroom clutter, this is definitely worth considering. To wrap it all up, the Oral Breeze Showerbreeze Water Jet Dental Irrigator does a great job of offering convenience, effectiveness, and a hassle-free experience. It's a solid option for anyone looking to make their oral care routine simpler, especially if you're short on counter space or just prefer a shower-based setup. While it may not have the highest water pressure out there, it's more than adequate for everyday use and does its job well. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to check out the link to purchase in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.